Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. This actually is my third time shooting this video, so that's why it looks a little different than it normally would. So I apologize for that. But this is the 2020 studio tour with a voiceover, obviously. My name is Joel Carter. Again, thanks for tuning in. And this is the studio. Alright, so this is a sticker bombed canvas that I made out of some stickers that I got off of Wish. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. I am a huge Star Wars fan, so I've got these geometrical ones. It says Hunter, Father, Master, Druid, and I think they're super cool on a canvas as myself. I got this off of AliExpress, and it's just a whole bunch of just anime stuff that I like and things that are cool like Yuki, etc. You know what I mean? Huge capitalist, so obviously being an entrepreneur, Mr. Monopoly and Richie Rich with Jessica Rabbit. They're playing tennis off of some old newspaper. The Michelin Man, Ka, Luffy from One Piece Gear 4, the Sunny, Boba Fett, C-3PO, Stormtrooper Ka. Then we've got Super Saiyan, Ultra Instinct. We've got Ronor Zoro, Sanji. We've got Ace. We've got Sabo. Boo from Dragon Ball. We've got some My Hero Academia in the back right there. Sims 4 and Cyberpunk Collector's Edition. See? Post Malone, Chance the Rapper. Some PlayStation 2 games. Some Sims 4, Nintendo Switch. Some Magic cards. Some Skyrim, stuff like that. And there's my PlayStation 4 collection, which is just some games. Let me pull that forward real quick because that's bugging me. So just some of my games that I don't normally play actually because of the PS5. HomePod, Sesame Street Car, carrying Mickey Mouse, I think is what it is. There you go, pan down so you can see that. Alright, we've got the Razer Viper that I just did a boxing on. Check that out if you haven't. PlayStation 5 controller. Dog ate the other one, unfortunately. The Nano Leaf panels. Another just art style that I like. It's kind of my theme throughout the whole house, so I even have it in the game room. And as you can see, it's a whole bunch of capitalistic stuff. I've got SpongeBob and some Hypebeast clothing. Remember that, people change, and I like the design. I'm not really a Hypebeast myself. I spent like $12 on shirts, but I was like, this is kind of cool. And it was handmade by that guy, HG. So I was like, that's kind of cool. We got a couch, pillow, and blankets just in case I want to take a nap in the game room. Yep, that one in the bottom left right there is handmade by an artist named KG. If we scroll up, let me get it to zoom in real quick. So that's a whole thing of One Piece, just a whole bunch of the characters, and like an old school scroll style, which I like. And then we got Louis Vuitton, Mr. Monopoly, and Richie Rich shopping there, of course. I don't shop there, but a lot of poor people do, or middle class, I should say. So, because they want to look wealthy as opposed to be wealthy. but I have it up there because I like the style. Another one, KG made that of me. The one right here is kind of like just a collage of a whole bunch of different stuff like that. Pikachu, another one, but this one's written on, so it's like icon, pop art, stuff like that. Another one that was handmade. My subwoofer. This is a Vizio TV. Down here we've got the PlayStation 2, collecting dust, and the Sega Dreamcast. Sony H3160 or something like that. A Nintendo Switch with the Zelda skin. We've got a Den Den Mushi up at the top right there. We've got the PlayStation symbols. We've got Pain in the corner from Naruto. Ignore the cable management, guys. It's all being redone. It's a 52-inch TV. We got a big Supreme poster. It's actually a vinyl that I put on some styrofoam. That's why it's so huge. A Chanel Darth Vader, as well as a so-called Mickey Mouse Stormtrooper. I'll get that to zoom in so you can see that. And like I said, we're doing the whole room again. Jessica Rabbit. Yeah, same kind of style that I have going throughout the whole thing. I did have a Thanos up there, but he did fall right there. So that's why that looks like that. PlayStation 5. This is a Intel i7 9700K, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 2060 Super, the small compact one. That's pretty much it on that. 5 terabytes of storage. We've got a Sasuke down here. It changes colors. I want to change it out for a white case. We've got a dual monitor setup. It's the Razer Kraken is the headphones that I use. That's also being changed. And again, ignore all the cable management. We're literally pulling everything out. It's going to be all white. You'll see that obviously soon. That's what all the unboxings are leaving the hype up to. So you'll see that eventually. I've got a Corsair gaming mouse and a Corsair keyboard as well. And that's obviously been switched out if you look at the new videos. So that is the dual monitor setup on a monitor arm made by Vivo. Got that on Amazon. It's a moving wallpaper, as you can tell. If we pan out here as well. Sponsored by CandorWellness.com. Check them out. That's where I get my drinks from. We got a Caw on the desk. The Quiet Comfort 35s are in here. I just use those quite often in the camera case as well. Down here we got the Dragon Balls, Vegeta, Pickle Rick, Luffy, the One Piece team, some more Dragon Ball and some other stuff like that. I had a fridge right here, but my dog actually ate the cord. Almost got electrocuted and died. So that's coming out, and it doesn't work anymore, but that used to be the other side of the desk. Let me get over here real quick so you can get a quick look of everything. Obviously, everything's being switched out to white, and it's going to look a million times better for the studio, for the YouTube videos, for the comfort, for everything like that. So stay tuned for that. The Viper Ultimate, we just did a video on that. Check that out. Link is on the unboxing playlist, and it has a cool little wireless charger. Let's see, what else did I miss? Anything over here? Let me just do a quick little pan so you can see the whole room. PlayStation 5 things over there for the surround sound. Yeah, that's pretty much it. See you in the next one.